One sunny day, a curious little bird was flying near the farm when he saw something strange on the road. The little bird lands next to the egg, looking amazed. Wow! Look at the size of this egg. It's so big. I bet my brothers and I could all fit inside it. The little bird looks puzzled as he examines the egg, hopping around it. The little bird had seen bird eggs before, but never anything this big. He wasn't sure what kind of egg it was, and it made him a little nervous. Maybe this is a giant egg from a scary bird of prey. The little bird flies back to his nest, where his mother is waiting. The mother bird is perched in the nest, smiling gently as her little one flutters over. Mom, I saw a huge egg on the road. I've never seen anything like it before. I was scared it might belong to a big, scary bird of prey. The mother bird laughs kindly. Oh, my dear. There's no need to be afraid. That's not a bird of prey's egg, it belongs to our friend, the hen. A friendly image of a chicken appears on the screen, clucking happily with her chicks. You see, chickens lay eggs that are much bigger than our eggs. And their babies grow up to be much bigger too. But you told me about eagles and other big birds before, and their nests are huge. I thought this egg might be from one of them. The mother bird gently explains, using her wings to show different birds. Eagles and birds of prey build their nests high in the mountains, or at the tops of trees, far away from danger. But our friend the hen lays her eggs on the ground, in a cozy nest she builds herself. The little bird looks thoughtful and then gets excited. I have an idea, Mom. What if we help the hen get her egg back to her nest? It must have rolled away. The mother bird smiles proudly at her thoughtful little one. That's a wonderful idea. Let's go help her right now. The little bird and his mother fly down to the road, where the egg is waiting. They start gently rolling the egg together, using their soft feathers. The little bird and his mother work together, rolling the egg with their soft feathers. The little bird would push the egg, and his mother would catch it. The little bird pushes the egg, and the mother bird catches it. Then the mother bird gently pushes the egg, and the little bird rushes to catch it. They both laugh as they work together. They kept working as a team, laughing and helping each other, until they brought the egg safely back to the hen's nest. When they arrive at the nest, the hen is sitting on her other eggs, looking worried. When she sees her egg return, she clucks in delight. Oh, thank you, thank you. You brought my egg back. I was so worried it had rolled too far away. The hen rushes over to thank the little bird and his mother, giving them a gentle peck on the head as a thank you. The hen was so grateful. With the little bird and his mother's help, her egg was safe again. We're so happy we could help, Mrs. Hen. You are wonderful friends. Now I can keep my egg warm until my baby chick hatches. The hen gently sits back on her egg, providing warmth. After a few moments, there's a tiny cracking sound,